Hello again, LionDesk user, and congratulations on connecting LionDesk to API Nation. Now that you're beginning your journey here with us, I actually just wanted to give you this quick tip to get you off to a quick start. So if you actually log into your API Nation account, and you can go to workflows and look at my workflows here, you see here we have LionDesk to Mojo and Mojo to LionDesk. There's a little secret in here. If you click on this LionDesk to Mojo, it'll take you to details about that workflow. And you probably consider yourself a power user. You're using this integration, getting out there and making deals, making calls. If that's the case, you might want to consider this addition here on the left-hand side. There's this clock. Our integration is scheduled to run every 15 minutes. For most agents, that's great. They do some work in LionDesk, they go to Mojo. For you though, maybe consider bumping it down to 5. That way you can bounce back and forth between LionDesk and Mojo more often, but that info stays fresh. So that's it, your LionDesk is connected to your Mojo. It's not running every 5 minutes. The next step for most LionDesk users is to head on over and sync it up with Google Sheets so that you can make bulk edits, create custom charts and reports, and really unleash LionDesk in your work. So we hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions, ideas, let us know. Shoot us an email, give us a call. We love doing this stuff.